Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to start our new lecture of 2.1 Comparisons English Workshop. So let's get started. 1. Comparisons English Workshop. List all the adjectives in the poem. Use the comparative forms of at least 8 of them to write new comparisons. 2 of them have been given as examples. हमें 2 comparative form में examples दिए हुए हैं. हमें बाकी के examples solve करने हैं. Answer. Adjectives in the poem are fast, slow, big, small, fierce, gentle, sour, sweet, dry, wet, square, round, cool, warm, noisy, quiet, strong, weak, hard, soft, dark, light, tall, short, crooked, straight, full, and last one is some. So हमें अब sentence बनाने हैं. So हम सेंटेंस बनाते हैं. कंपैरिजन्स. फास्टर देन द वाइंड, बिगर देन द एलिमेंट, स्मॉलर देन एन एंट, फर्सर देन अ वॉरियर, जेंटल देन अ स्ट्रीम, स्लोअर देन अ टॉर्टॉइस, स्वीटर देन शुगर, कूलर. List all the nouns in the poem. Find a suitable adjective other than the one of given here for each of the nouns and write meaningful similes for at least 8 of them. For example, as yellow as lemon. समय हम एग्जाम्पल्स बनाते हैं. हमें कुछ आर्ट सिमिलीज बनाने हैं. So nouns in the poem are spaceship, nail, dinosaur, nail, tiger, lamb, lemon, jam, desert, sea, house, pea, cave, toast, road, drill, ghost, ox, kitten, rock, mitten, tunnel, moon, night time, midnight, day, night, noon, giant, elf, mountain, path, shelf, world and opposites. So हम अब कुछ sentences लिखते हैं like as yellow as lemon के तरीके से. Some meaningful similes: as majestic as a tiger, as innocent as a lamb, as deep as a sea, as ancient as a cave, as crisp as a toast, cute as a kitten, as bright as the moon, as scenic as a mountain path. So यहाँ पे हमारा सेकंड क्वेश्चन खत्म होता है. तो थर्ड क्वेश्चन है फॉर्म ग्रुप्स ऑफ 6 to 8. थिंक ऑफ सिमिलीज यूजिंग डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ड्राई एज एंड, wet as a puddle. Now try to put together the similes to make a poem with rhyming lines. And I wish I was like a child, carefree in the wild, as happy as sunshine, like as a fairy divine, as innocent as a lamb, as teeny as a gram. I wish I was like a child, carefree in the wild. So question number 4 is, write the pairs of rhyming words. Answer: snail, nail, lamb, jam, sea, pea, toast, ghost, kitten, mitten, moon, noon, elf, shelf. So our question number 5 is, start a collection of items with the comparisons. Use the following categories. A. Items with colors. तो हमें कुछ A, B, C ऐसे आइटम्स दिए हैं कलर्स, एनिमल्स और ऑब्जेक्ट्स के, और हमें कुछ अब पूरे सेंटेंस दिए हुए हैं जो हमें कंप्लीट करने हैं. तो हम करते हैं एज ब्लैक एज अ क्रो, एज वाइट एज अ डव, एज रेज as red as an apple, as blue as the sky, as green as grass, as pink as a rose, as yellow as a sunflower, as grey as a smoke, as brown as a beer. So यहाँ पे हमारा A कॉलम तो ख़त्म होता है. B. Items with the animals. As cunning as a fox, as busy as a bee, as huge as an elephant. C. Items with the objects. As black as coal, as ice, as light as a feather. So question number 6 says, given below are some idiomatic comparisons with like. Can you guess their meaning? Look them up in a good dictionary. You won't find them under like. Which words will you look up to find these comparisons? Like a bull in a china. Here china means the delicate articles of a porcelain, meaning to handle a delicate situation badly. Like a cat on a hot tin roof, meaning someone who is in a state of rest. Like a red rag to a bull, meaning something that will cause an anger or violent reaction, meaning obviously smug or overly pleased with oneself. So like water of a duck's back, meaning having no effect on someone. Memory like a sieve, forget things easily or quickly. Using your imagination, write more comparisons. Use like. Answer: like a fish out the water, like a bitter gourd in a sweet shop, like a sitting duck, like an open book, like a rainy desert. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.